Good morning. Welcome to Snake Eye Crypto channel. So let's directly dive into today's hot topics, hot news stories about crypto. So first we will discuss about NFT space. So supermodel Emily Ratajkowski, New York Times article says this supermodel Emily Ratajkowski is selling an NFT at Christie's. So this is her. This NFT she will sell at Christie's. That is what she is saying in this article. This is a very great news about the space because recently Beeple has sold his NFT for 69 million US dollar at Christie. So in future, I personally think that NFT will be a great market for all kind of artists across the world. Another article is Eminem partners with Gemini's Nifty Gateway to launch his first NFT. So you can see that this is a Oscar-winning iconic rapper. Eminem is also planning to sell his own NFT first time. So this you can see that Hollywood celebrities are basically taking interest into the NFT space, non-fungible token space. So this is a very good news for these space. Now another news about NFTs, African digital media company set to hold NFT auction featuring artwork by Kenyan filmmaker Rich Alela. So you can see that all over the world NFT is spreading like a wildfire, and everybody on artists from all kind of verticals are started taking interest into the NFT auctions. Now, the another great news is that lending giant Aave said to launch liquidity mining program. So what they are saying in their proposal is that Aave has reached, meaning that starting from Monday, that is 26 April, liquidity providers and borrowers in Aave's USDC, DAI, USDT, Ethereum and the Wrap BTC pools will earn STAve rewards in addition to their standard interest yield. So as per this Aave improvement proposal 16, providers and borrowers in these pools will split 200 STAve tokens per day from the protocol's current 2.9 million Aave ecosystem reserve, currently worth near 1 billion. So this is a really great news for the Aave system that it will start another to launch liquidity mining program. Now this is a very good news for Cardano holder and Stellar holder that a new Swiss investment fund launches new crypto ETPs. So what they are telling is that 20 Swiss fintech company is rolling out the first crypto exchange traded products for Cardano and Stellar Lumis. So exchange ETF are basically in the pipeline in the United States. But recently today there is one article in my previous video I have explained that Cardano is now a payment system in the Shopify and e-commerce stores. And this is another big thing that Cardano and Stellar will have their own ETF. And from April 26 with it will start with a base fee of 2.5% per year, which is really a good thing for the Cardano ecosphere and all the Cardano holders. Now another great news is that April's crypto exchange volumes have hit a new all-time high. So crypto exchanges have seen more than 1.3 trillion US dollar in volume according to data collected by The Block, and this is the most ever on the record. So we can see that from 2017 early it was trading volume was starting from 3.5 billion, which gradually increases to more than 100 billion, and now this month April we have actually recorded all the past records of the daily single high, that is a 1.4 trillion US dollar as of this month up to now. So it's a new single day it's a new single month record of the crypto exchange volumes. So this shows that this entire crypto space is growing. Another news is two Turkish crypto exchanges investigated for fraud after central bank bans cryptocurrency used for the payments. Another news is that Ethereum DeFi lending platforms such as Aave, Compound Finance, print a record high of 25 billion US dollar in total value locked. So this is a really good news for the DeFi lending platforms and yield farms. So because over 25 billion dollar of value has been locked in all these platform, that MakerDAO, Compound Finance and Aave, these are the three leading DeFi platform on the this Ethereum network. So this is a really great news for this DeFi lending space. Now, this article is about top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. One is obviously Bitcoin, second is Ethereum, third is Bitcoin, BNB, Binance token, Monero, and Cake is a PancakeSwap. This is basically running on Binance Smart Chain. So recently they are saying that PancakeSwap is a crypto exchange on the Binance Smart Chain that is probably daily probably cross the daily volume of the Uniswap in exchanges. So these 5 coins are of attraction of this week. Now next great news is these 3 altcoins on Binance Smart Chain could skyrocket according to the YouTuber Lark Davis. So let me tell you which are these 3 coins that Lark Davis is of YouTube is telling. So these 3 coins are basically one is PancakeSwap or Cake token. So this has recently overtaken the volume of Ethereum based Uniswap. Another is Refinable and third is Smoothie Finance. So Refinable is native token Refine will is basically NFT project will give power to their holders. The NFTs creators trading on Refinable. For example, fine holders can increase the royalties and distribution of an asset and participate in the governance model. And the third one is Smoothie Finance. So what he is saying that users can leverage their swap feature with zero slippage on different stable coins. So Lark Davis has added. So these 3 coins according to Lark Davis are of very much growing coin on the Binance Smart Chain. And the final news of today is Parastate Layer 2 Ethereum on steroid. So what basically Parastate is a coin, and this what they are claiming according to their articles on any available limited information available on the Medium is Parasite is a parachain that runs parallel on the Polkadot, and it is connected to the Polkadot relay chain. So basically what they are trying is they intend to support more than 20 different programming languages to write Ethereum compatible smart contracts. So basically in future almost every blockchain, right now it is connected with the Polkadot, but it will be compatible with almost any kind of blockchain. And it will able to bring all the other blockchains power and development to the Ethereum. However, the problem is that this project intends to be a one-stop platform for deploying dApps in DeFi. But however, the problem is that there is hardly any evidence on how it plans to achieve its aims, except for a few Medium articles. We could not find more on it. The white paper is also missing, and its GitHub has also only 5 repositories. So what this coin is or project is offering is a really good thing, but how they will able to perform it is a question. So these are today's top news stories. If you know anything about very top stories about today's, then kindly comment below. Thank you.